Come take a look at this new 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, sunroof, power, retract into roof, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, seats, heated and cooled driver and front passenger front bucket, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing SV flex fuel with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, SLT convenience package, tires, P265/65 R18 on off-road, white outlined letter, rear vision camera and the suspension package. Off-road. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.